You can sign up for your WhatsApp application. Now, to sign up for your WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp application. Agree and continue to the WhatsApp privacy policy and terms of service. WhatsApp will need to verify your number to create an account. So, choose your country and enter your phone number. Then tap on Next. Check your number. Edit if you have entered your number incorrectly or tap on OK. Enter a 6-digit verification code sent to your phone number. If you want WhatsApp to access your contacts, click on Allow. Type in your name and click on Next. This is how you can sign up for your WhatsApp application quickly and easily just in few steps. How you can log into your WhatsApp application. Now, to log into your WhatsApp application, open your WhatsApp application. Agree and continue to the WhatsApp privacy policy and terms of service. WhatsApp will need to verify your number to create an account. So, choose your country and enter your phone number. Then tap on Next. Check your number. Edit if you have entered your number incorrectly or tap on OK. Enter a 6-digit verification code sent to your phone number. If you want WhatsApp to access your contacts, click on Allow. Type in your name and click on Next. This is how you can sign up for your WhatsApp application quickly and easily just in few steps. How you can create group on your WhatsApp application. Now, to create a group on your WhatsApp application, firstly, open your WhatsApp application. Click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the New Group option. On the next page, you need to add the participants to create a group. Search for the contacts and select them. After selecting particular number of participants you want to create a group with, tap on an arrow icon. Enter the name of the group you just created and then press on tick mark. You can also upload a profile picture of group you created if you want to. This is how you can create a group on your WhatsApp application. How you can be offline on your WhatsApp. Now, to remain offline on WhatsApp, firstly open your WhatsApp application. Click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the Settings option. Press on the Privacy option and then on Last Seen and Online option. Here you can choose who can see your last seen or when you are online. Now, to be offline on WhatsApp, click on Nobody and same as Last Seen option. This is how you can remain offline on WhatsApp quickly and easily just in few steps. How you can back up your WhatsApp chat. To back up your WhatsApp chat, firstly open your WhatsApp application. The home page of WhatsApp with the chat list will appear on the screen. Click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. List of options will pop up on the screen. Click on Settings. Tap on Chat option. Scroll all the way down and click on Chat Backup and then on Backup. This is how you can back up your WhatsApp chat quickly and easily just in few steps. How you can add someone to your WhatsApp group. To add someone to your WhatsApp group, firstly open your WhatsApp application. You will arrive on the home page of WhatsApp with your chat lists. Click on the group you want to add a contact or other participants. After you open your group chat, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on Group Info. It will display the information of groups with the number of participants on it. To add someone, click on an Add option and choose a contact you want to add. Then click on a green tick mark on the bottom right corner of the screen. This is how you can add someone on your WhatsApp group quickly and easily just in few steps. How you can add music to your WhatsApp status. So to add music on your WhatsApp, firstly you need to take a video and add a music to it. Here, let me use an Instagram for this. So open your Instagram application, take a video. Swipe up and click on Music option. Select your music and then tap on Save option. Now that you have a video with the music on it, open your WhatsApp application. Click on the status on the middle and then tap on My Status option. Select the video you want to upload and click on arrow option at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is how you can add music on your WhatsApp status. How you can leave groups silently on WhatsApp. Now, to leave your group silently on WhatsApp, go to the Setting option. Scroll down and tap on Apps and then App Management. Scroll all the way down and click on WhatsApp. Tap on Manage Notification, slide and turn off the message notification. Now, open the WhatsApp application. Open the group message and click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Mute Notifications. Other participants will not see that you have muted this chat. You will still be notified if you are mentioned. Select Always option and click on OK. Again, tap on three dots, click on More and select Exit Group option. Exit group message will pop up on the screen. Click on Exit. This is how you can leave your group silently on WhatsApp. How you can invite someone to your WhatsApp group through QR code. So to invite someone in your WhatsApp group through a QR code, firstly open up your WhatsApp application. Click on the message or chat group. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and click on Group Info. Scroll all the way down and click on Invite via link. It will take you to the Invite link page. Tap on QR code option. Press on the Share option at the top right corner of the screen and select the person you want to send your QR code to. Now press on Allow button. The QR code of the group will be sent to the contact you want to. This is how you can invite someone to your WhatsApp group through QR code. How you can hide your number on your WhatsApp application. Now, to hide your number on WhatsApp, firstly open your WhatsApp Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Settings option. The setting page of WhatsApp will appear. Here, click on Privacy where you can control your privacy and choose the right settings for you. On the particular page, tap on About and select Nobody among other options. It will hide your WhatsApp number. This is how you can hide your number on WhatsApp application. How you can join WhatsApp group through QR code. So to join your WhatsApp group through QR code, firstly open your WhatsApp application. Click on the message you have received QR code in WhatsApp. Here, using this QR code, you can join your WhatsApp group easily. Click on the QR code and scan it or simply click on the link right below. It will ask you whether to join the group or not. Click on Join Group and tap on View Group. You successfully joined your WhatsApp group through QR code. This is how you can join your WhatsApp group through QR code just in few steps. How you can lock your chat on WhatsApp. Now, to lock your chat on WhatsApp, firstly open your WhatsApp application. It will display the message section of your WhatsApp. Choose the message or chat and click on it. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the View Contact option. Scroll down and press on Chat Log option displayed on the screen. It will keep your chat locked and hidden. You can use your fingerprint to open this chat and read the notifications. Slide the button to lock the chat with fingerprint. This is how you can log your chat on WhatsApp application. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching.